Sniff out silent killers with style. The CO alarm's so smart, it practically yells, "I got you, fam." Let's talk truth bombs. Carbon monoxide is the sneakiest villain in your home. No smell. No taste. Just vibes, deadly ones. But Kidde's carbon monoxide detector, model 9000146, is your new ride or die in this toxic saga. Packed with cutting-edge electrochemical sensor tech, this AA battery-powered bad boy doesn't play games. It's the difference between "what's that smell" and "thank the alarm gods I'm alive." No wires. No drama. Just slap it on a wall or let it chill on your nightstand. When danger's near, it belts an 85 decibel siren loud enough to wake the dead, or at least your snoring uncle. Safety just got stylish. Unlike your basic budget beepers, this Kidde comes with digital brains that flex every 15 seconds. That's right, real-time CO level updates so you're always in the know. And it remembers things. The peak level memory stores the nastiest carbon monoxide reading it picked up, like a petty ex who never forgets. Plus, there's that sweet test hush button. Wanna run a check or silence that chirp? Boom. One click. And the light show? A sleek green LED says, "We good," while the red flashes scream, "Not today, carbon doom." Competitors wish they had this level of personality and precision. You know what's worse than toxic gas? Losing power during toxic gas exposure. But this detector's not sweating outages. It runs on 2 AA batteries, included, no less, so your protection keeps going even if the grid takes a nap. And with no wires to mess with, setup is easier than convincing your dog to love snacks. Want to mount it or just let it free range on the dresser? Totally your call. Lightweight, compact, and traveler-friendly, this CO alarm is your mobile guardian. Take it on vacay or road trips. Stay safe wherever you drop your duffel. Now let's talk money, honey. The Kidde CO detector doesn't just save your life, it saves your wallet. No electrician bills. No hardwiring headaches. It's built to last with a 7-year lifespan, backed by a 10-year limited warranty. Translation: you're paying once for years of no-worry protection. Plus, the digital screen, safety lock battery door, and UL certification scream premium without the premium price tag. Compared to overpriced smart units that need apps and Wi-Fi to function, this one just works. No tech tantrums, no cloud subscriptions, just solid, affordable, reliable protection. This isn't just a carbon monoxide detector. It's your home's hype man, guardian angel, and no BS bodyguard all rolled into one sleek gadget. If you care about your health, your sleep, and your squad, you'll want this in every room, because smoke alarms alone won't cut it. It's tech-tested, travel-approved, and homeowner-endorsed. In a world full of silent dangers, be loud about your safety. Grab the Kidde carbon monoxide detector and breathe easier, literally.